AI is revolutionizing lifestyle modification by providing personalized, data-driven insights and recommendations. Here are some key areas where AI is making a significant impact. AI tools. Wearable devices. Devices like Fitbit and Apple Watch use AI to track physical activity, heart rate, sleep patterns, and more. Applications. Personalized workouts. AI algorithms develop customized workout routines based on your goals, preferences, and performance data. Nutritional guidance. AI provides dietary advice tailored to your health needs and goals, suggesting meal plans and tracking caloric intake. 2. Mental health and well-being. AI tools. Mental health apps. Apps like Wobot and Wysa use AI to offer mental health support through chatbots that provide cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT techniques. Mindfulness and meditation. Apps like Headspace and Calm use AI to recommend personalized meditation and mindfulness practices. Applications. Virtual therapy. AI chatbots engage users in conversations to help manage stress, anxiety, and depression. Mood tracking. AI monitors mood patterns and provides insights and recommendations for improving mental well-being. Mindfulness reminders. AI recommends mindfulness exercises and meditation sessions based on your stress levels and daily schedule. 3. Sleep improvement AI tools. Sleep trackers, devices and apps like Sleep Cycle and Oura Ring use AI to monitor sleep patterns. Smart mattresses and pillows. Products like 8 Sleep use AI to adjust mattress temperature and firmness for optimal sleep conditions. Applications. Sleep analysis. AI analyzes sleep data to identify disruptions and recommend changes for better sleep quality. Personalized sleep plans. AI develops sleep plans tailored to your specific needs, such as bedtime routines and optimal sleep environments. Smart alarms. AI-based alarms wake you up at the optimal time in your sleep cycle, improving how you feel upon waking. 4. Stress management. AI tools. Stress monitoring devices. Wearables like Garmin VivoSmart and apps like Spire use AI to detect stress levels through physiological signals. Stress relief apps. AI-driven apps provide techniques for relaxation and stress management, such as guided breathing exercises. Applications. Real-time stress detection. AI monitors physiological signals, heart rate, respiration, to detect stress in real time. Daily stress insights. AI provides insights into daily stress patterns and suggests changes to reduce stress. 5. Habit formation AI tools. Behavioral apps. Apps like Habitica and Fabulous use AI to help users build and maintain healthy habits. Virtual coaches. AI-powered virtual coaches provide real-time feedback and encouragement to reinforce positive behavior changes. Applications. Habit tracking. AI monitors your progress in forming new habits and provides reminders and encouragement. Goal setting. AI helps you set realistic and achievable goals based on your behavior patterns. Behavioral insights. AI analyzes your habits and suggests modifications to improve adherence and outcomes. 6. Lifestyle optimization. AI tools, smart home devices, AI-powered devices like Amazon Echo and Google Home assist in managing daily tasks and routines. Personal assistants. AI personal assistants like Siri and Google Assistant help organize schedules and provide reminders. Applications. Daily routine management. AI optimizes your daily schedule by integrating tasks, reminders, smart home devices to create a comfortable and efficient living and adjusting lighting and temperature. Personalized recommendations. AI offers personalized lifestyle recommendations, such as leisure activities and social interactions.